So this is notclass version 3. It's a complete rebuild of what you've seen so far. But before I tell you why I changed it so much, let me actually show you what it can do, because it's available to everyone. So from the get-go, you just go here to Open Workspace, and you're asked to complete the onboarding, where the AI will try to guess what is your mind map, what is the limit of your knowledge when it comes down to physics. We will do the light read, which is the fastest onboarding, and now the AI asks us to teach it the hardest thing that we know in physics. I will tap Control twice, and now I can speak in the microphone. So I've learned physics in middle school and high school, and I'm comfortable with mechanics quite a lot. Although I have gone through thermodynamics, I did some modern physics, but let's try to get started with mechanics for now. And I just hit enter. What's a specific mechanics idea where you trust your gut over a formula, where you just know how it will behave before you calculate? I guess we could talk about rockets and how they move in space. Now I just hit enter and I leave the AI to figure out what does it want to ask me, or whether it wants to go deeper or broader. Alright, so after the onboarding, the point is that the AI generates this heat map of your knowledge. And as you do more lessons, as you go through more sessions, this heat map grows more and more. So we have all of these things which it noted that we already know. You can also see it here in this taxonomy page. Now I will just choose to go here in the home page, and what I can do is simply start a new thread. Let's say that I have an issue with a problem, or let's say that I want to either teach it something, ask it about something you don't know, or paste the problem and try to solve it. But this tool will never give you the answer straight away. The point is to let you struggle enough with it, but make the struggle productive, because not every single type of struggle is productive. So the idea is it will see where are you struggling, it will kind of try to map out your current understanding, and if you struggle sometimes, it will make a plan of what you should be learning first, and then give you problems, test you, and do it in a way that a tutor would do. So it won't just give you everything off on a plate, it will actually try to make you understand physics. Let's say that I want to teach it something else. Let's discuss more about thermodynamics. Imagine you have a sealed, rigid container of gas sitting on a table. If you hit it with a flame, what happens inside a container, and how would you describe the changes in terms of energy and motion of the gas particles? So, again, if you want to advance faster and you know that you have more knowledge, you could just teach it something more complex, and the whole mind map, the whole taxonomy and heat map will update way faster, to the point where it will understand your level and it will be able to give you better questions, more tailored questions, and the more you use it, the better it gets. So throughout the conversation, the agent will try to test your knowledge, and there will be times when you'll be given problems. You have to do the problems on paper, after which you scan the QR code and then you upload it. So let's do it. So now all I have to do is take my phone, scan the QR code, which will bring me to this page. The picture was uploaded, and here you have the analysis. Now what I can do is, again, go here, and let's say that this time I want to do something different. Give me a plan to understand how do radios work. And now what I created is an entire plan of what I actually need to do and what I need to learn in order to understand how radios work. And if I'm okay with the plan, I can just press on this. As you can see, here is the plan going. I can just keep on chatting with it. But that's the point of notclass. It's not another AI tool to which you can just outsource your thinking. The point is to let you do the thinking. What it does is mostly a diagnose. It figures out what you don't know, and then, using Vygotsky's ideas, after it knows your zone of proximal development, it just gives you enough to be able to reach for the next topic, for the next thing to understand. It builds understanding because you have to create your own model. You have to teach the model. You have to teach the AI. Therefore, your mental model has to be strong enough in order to be able to translate it into an explanation. So this is notclass version 3. And after you try it out, come back with some feedback. I would highly appreciate it. And thank you for following along.